Hi, today I'm reviewing Motorola One 5G Ace and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the display section, then click to advanced, scroll down and you will see the screen record section. Just click here and to change the quality of the screen recording you should switch here in the resolution section the one resolution to another one. So by this way you can change it. Also, we got one more way how we can launch the screen recorder settings. Just first open notification panel shortcuts and then find screen record icon. Hold for a while this icon and by this way you can change the settings of the screen recordings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.